Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn some informal contractions that you guys can use to speak faster and sound like a native speaker. Let's get to it. The first one is gotta instead of got to. An example, we gotta stay home. Repeat after me, gotta, gotta. The second example, wanna instead of want to. For example, I want to watch a movie. Wanna. Third example, have to instead of have to. For example, I have to do my homework. Have to. The next example is gimme instead of give me. For example, give me your phone number and I'll call you. Gimme. Gimme. Next, let me instead of let me. For example, let me see that picture. Let me see. Let me. The next example, kinda, kind of. Kinda instead of kind of. For example, she's kinda cute. Kinda. And the last one is outa instead of out of. For example, I'm out of money. Outa instead of out of. Let's repeat all of them. Gotta, wanna, have to, gimme, lemme, kinda, and outa. Now, if you like this video, I'd like you to hit the like button and give me some of your examples in the comments below. And don't forget to share the video in social media with your friends and family. Take care and have a good day.